All right, let's finish this little fella up. Let me get my everything. Okay, now we've got his little coat cut. That's why I kind of like to do it outside. I can see so much easier with natural sunlight. It's such a great thing. All right, we've got the stuff. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut a few little wrinkles in his pants. All right, cutting a few little wrinkles in his pants. I'll move a little bit up in here. I'm gonna take my V-tool. I'm just gonna put a little hair in there. Okay, same thing here. Turn it over. Put a little hair in there. Let's get this hat. Take a little bit off in here just to get up underneath there. And I tell you what, we just about got him finished. Let me add a little bit more V-tool in here. Hair. We can put a little cigar in his mouth, or we can leave it like that. It doesn't really matter what you do. I'll just come a little bit further in here. Uh-oh. Not uh-oh, but I just got little burrs in there. Get that out with my knife. All right, I'm gonna wet him a little bit. Show you kind of you can see how close you get to your hands and all that stuff. So I want you to be very, very careful in doing this, because you are really... All right. Someone calling, which I'm not going to answer. All right. Okay, look at that. There's our little figure. Now let me show you that other figure again. This is almost exactly like him. It's just to see his hand is kind of sticking out like here. This is actually a version of this. There, see? It says he's got his hands in his pocket there, but this is actually a version of the same type of figure. Now I could have put a beard on him or done whatever, but I wanted to show you the easier side of it. Same version. So here is actually a picture of it being finished and painted, in other words. Right here. Same type of figure. Same 2-inch figure. I put a little cigar in his mouth and everything like that. And then here's a very similar little figure, just like him. But what I did on here is I made him a cap rather than just a hat, in other words. Made him a cap rather than a hat. You can put mustaches on him, you can do whatever, but I was just trying that because 1/2-inch basswood is awful thin. But this is a picture of it, so that is our figure. Okay. That's our little figure here that we have. Showing you from all sides. But that is what a finished figure painted and all that stuff would look like. So that's our little 2-inch figure out of 1/2-inch basswood. Okay, well, God bless you now. And I always try these figures first before I do them, because that way I can, and paint them and stuff, because that way I can show you what it is. Now you can put his hand that way and make a hobo out of him or do whatever. I mean, you can do a number of things with his arms and stuff, but that's just a piece of it. Okay, well, God bless you now. And that's our little figure.